L.E.D Cmw5019 T20 7447, 1440 S.M.D 14. Product features: 1. Wide voltage design 130 DC AC. Supports both DC and AC vehicle systems. Non-polarity design allows quick and hassle-free installation. 2. High brightness and optical efficiency. Equipped with 14 high-performance S.M.D LED. Power consumption only 2.88 W. Luminous output up to 410 lumens. Built-in front lens enhances focus and beam projection. Excellent light efficiency with low power consumption. 3. Superior heat dissipation. Constructed with pure aluminum body. Ensures rapid heat transfer and long-term performance stability. 4. Advanced safety and reliability. Integrated lightning protection. Passed EMC anti-interference and vibration resistance tests. 5. Multiple color options. Available in white, warm white, red, amber, green, lemon yellow. Custom colors available to suit various applications. 6. Multi-function applications. Twin signal, brake light, tail running light, daytime running light DIO, reverse light, side marker, trailer light, emergency warning light. 7. Easy installation. Compatible with 7440 7440 D20 socket types. Plug-and-play design requires no wiring modifications. 8. Important notice. When replacing incandescent bulb with high brightness LED, a load resistor or LED flash relay may be required to prevent hypo flashing. Please verify your vehicle's socket type and bulb dimensions before installation.